Alright, good morning guys. It's been a while since put anything out, but been really busy with this little one. Hey Layla. This is my daughter Layla, and this is my other daughter Mia. So with having to run a shop and you know, doing videos, I am also a full-time dad with my lovely partner Alexis. Oh hello, you're a happy girl today, huh? You're a happy girl. So today I'm going to show you a new project that we've had sitting in our lot for a while, but this is a project that me and my brother have gotten together, and it's always kind of been a dream of mine to build a car like this. And I'm doing it with my brother. Oh, you're just a happy baby today, huh? You're a happy baby. So we're going to go ahead to the shop, and I'm going to show you guys the project. Hey, little one. Alright guys, so I just dropped off my daughter at school and my baby at the babysitter. So I'm gonna head out to the shop. I'm gonna go pick up some breakfast first, go to the shop, open up, get everything, get all the guys going, and then I'm gonna pull the project car out. We gotta really make a timeline for this one, because this car that I'm about to show you is literally starting from ground zero. There's no motor in it, okay, that's one. There's plenty of rust. That's two, and we need to have it done, and way before SEMA, because we have to have it out so we can get a sponsor. All right, guys, so we're here at the shop. Got all the guys going, got all the goals set for the week, and right now I'm gonna go walk across the street and open up our gate and see if I can move some cars around so we can pull out the project that I keep saying. Because I want to show you guys. I want you guys to be a part of this build. I want help on like interior colors, paint colors, wheel choices, engine choices. So I definitely want you guys to be a part of this. And that way for SEMA next year, you guys can all, whoever goes to SEMA, we're also going to be giving another ticket away. You guys could actually see it and see it all come into fruition. So our 2020 SEMA project is a 1968 Porsche 912, and this thing is like the Porsche version of Mater from Cars. This thing is a little rust bucket. So I'm gonna like pull everything out and make a list of what we're gonna be needing, and pretty much kind of a timeline of what we need to have, you know, in what way this needs to get restored in order to have this thing done, ready, running by SEMA. So let's take this thing apart right now. Alright guys, so we're gonna take a good walk around the project right now. So first off, stance is really bad. So the bumper is completely and totally utterly the fenders look pretty
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
Everything's pretty bad. The deck lid is actually not that bad, but we're switching that out anyway. So here's the engine bay, has a stock 912 transmission, which I don't know if we're gonna be able to use, because these are notorious for not being able to hold power, and we want to be putting out at least 300 wheel horsepower on this thing with whatever engine transplant we put in here. So you can see how rusted this thing is. It's just, there's just holes everywhere. The quarters are pretty decent, and by decent I mean that there's not a whole lot of rust. The door jambs seem pretty decent. Oh damn, this thing is so bad. guys, so this is just a couple of things that we needed to get for the 912 project. So we got the 911 RS type hood draw latches, the 911 RSR rear bumper that is 11 inches wider than the factory, the 911 RSR chin spoiler to go with the RSR front bumper that is 9 inches wider, and the 911 RS ducktail, which brings our total to $1685 plus shipping, which is about $185. Right underneath $2,000 on these fiberglass parts only. We still have to get some metal, so let's start looking up for some metal parts. BexcoAuto.com, and they have a lot of stuff we want at the fraction of the cost of most other Porsche sites. And I've already worked on these parts, working on Rick's 964, and the quality was second to none. So I'm very excited about working on some of these parts, so can't wait for them to come in. So I stumbled upon this site, which is Restoration Design, and they got some good prices. I mean, from what I've seen compared to anybody else. But one thing that we really can't get around on dropping a lot of cash on is these fenders. So they're listed at $1,500 for the right side and almost $1,800 for the driver's side. I think we're gonna have to fix the fenders because they're really expensive. But one area that really concerns me is these turn signal bucket area, because it is trash. It's all rusted, so we might have to actually, you know, make these from scratch, which we're not really excited about doing. And I don't really want to go fiberglass on the fenders. I want to keep it all metal. The wide body that we're gonna do is gonna be metal. So the hood and the fenders will be metal. We got this side of the door, so that's good. We're gonna be doing some patch panels. Alright guys, well, I hope you guys like our new project car. We are inspired by companies such as RWB, Singer, and the homie Slang 500. Want to build something that's very classy yet speed inspired. So comments what you guys think would look good, from paint color to upholstery, racing seats, wheels, everything. You guys name it. I'm all ears. Really want you guys to be a part of this build this year. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that like button. It helps us out way more than you know. And as always, SOS, we got you covered.